So, this is how to install Eclipse on Windows 11 easy and fast. First, look up Eclipse in your preferred search engine. Scroll down past the generic Eclipse content to find the official Eclipse website, or go directly to eclipse.org. Then on their homepage, click the orange download button in the top right corner. Here, click download for the desktop IDE package and pick your processor architecture. x86-64 is for most standard Windows PCs. Arch64 is for ARM-based Windows devices, like some newer laptops or tablets. The installer also includes everything needed to run Eclipse, including a Java runtime. Now click download again and wait for it to complete downloading. Next, find the installation file and launch it. You'll see multiple options for what purpose to install Eclipse: for Java developers, C++ developers, PHP developers, or others. Pick your intent and proceed. On the following screen, you can review the Java version it will install. Choose where to install Eclipse. You can also change the installation folder if you want. By default, it will create a start menu entry and a desktop shortcut. Both are checked already. Once everything looks good, just click the install button to proceed. Then if you accept the user agreement terms, click accept now. The installation will take a moment to complete. When that's done, click the green launch button and you're almost in. First, set the workspace directory. That means choosing the folder where all your projects and files will be saved by default. You can leave it as it is or change it to a location you prefer. After setting your workspace, click launch to start using Eclipse, and you're in and ready to realize your projects. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips like this one. See you in the next video.